Hey gang, this is Randy with RANDOG1951. Here's a quickie for you. If you're gonna file your chain on your saw, some of you may, of course, many of you may know how to do this or thought of it. But I have an old golf ball here. And my drill. I'm just going to go ahead and in my old vise here, handed down from my dad, which basically came from the bus company in Seattle in about 1960 something. Alrighty, here's my round file. Put the tang in there. Couple gentle whacks. Here you go, guys and ladies. Nice handle. That's a quickie for you. One of these, please. Share. Take care and stay safe.